Did you know that in Gmail, you can compose your email and then choose to send it at a specific date and time? And you know what this does? If you don't want to send the email 5 minutes later, you can always hit cancel send. So if you don't know how to set a time and date for your emails, I'm here to show you that, so let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Gmail and then click on compose right here at the bottom right corner. So once you do that, just select who you want to send the email to and then do all the things that you normally would. Type a subject and then compose your email. And then where you would normally hit this blue arrow button right here where the email would be sent right now, but we want to schedule an email in Gmail. So tap this three dot right here and then at the very top option you'll see schedule send. So tap on schedule send. And then if any of these options are suitable to you, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, whatever, and these time is all in my country's time. Or if you want to pick a specific date and time, just tap on this right here. So you can just select any date. If it's tomorrow, then press OK, then select the time, and you can just move this right here if it's an hour away or something. Or you can just select this little keyboard option right here and then just type in what time you want to send it tomorrow, because we have set the date for tomorrow. And if it's AM or PM, I'm going to leave it at PM, and then press OK and then hit schedule send right here. So you can see that it says send schedule for tomorrow. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to set a time and date for your emails. So if your problem was solved and you're satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.